na for all our information, may pang babae, may pang lalaki. Yan. Tapos, hindi lang yung products nila, meron silang as you now see, meron kayong mga bags. And soon, mamaya announce ko. But first, introduce ko muna. Of course, we have Miss Alma Bellarmino, and then Miss Pinky Esturco, and then Miss Amy Revilla, and then the two designers, si Miss Sofia at Sophia Jude. For mamaya, we will know about you more pa. And si Mr. Jared Servano, sila ang mga designers ng chinelas. And ang soon, yung sinasabi ko, RTW gagawa na rin sila. Yes! Correct. And we're eyeing to get, hindi namin i-reveal kung sino, pero may dalawa na silang choices ng endorsers, dalawang female superstars.
Clue!
Hindi nga i-reveal, Clue.
Siyempre,
Inaay pa lang naman. Inaay pa lang naman. Malay mo, Jennifer Lopez. Anne Hathaway. Okay. So, as a backgrounder, Sinelas at Ibaba was founded in August 2025 by Miss Amy Revilla with a simple goal in mind. Gusto lang niya to start a small business of her own, and what began as a personal dream slowly grew into something bigger after she met people who opened doors to opportunities of help shape the brand into what it is today. So, ano pa lang to, wala pang 1 year, tama?
Yeah.
Sa August, 1 year. Pero meron na silang line ng chinelas at ng bag, and soon RTW. And then, Sinelas is inspired by the spirit of artistry and wants to bring a touch of Filipino culture into modern footwear. Kaya nakikita niyo naman, di ba, parang Pinoy na Pinoy ang design, di ba? Malayo sa mga branded na mga imported, talagang Pilipino. And syempre, si Mr. Jared Servano is a titan of Mindanaoan design. Kaya ganyan ang mga design niya, sir. Ayan. And then si Miss Sofia naman is the visionary behind the brand Andre. What is Andre? Anore. What is Anore?
That's my salon.
Meron ka ding sarili mo. Ayun. And then, Sofia is an award-winning designer known for her victories at the Icones Design Competition and as a finalist in the Hibla National Competition. Kailan yan? Tapos na?
Opo, tapos
Okay. It was held where?
sa Palawan.
Ayun. Okay, so ngayon, siguro ako na muna mag-start ng question. May microphone kayo, no? Yun, siguro anyone can answer. What is the inspiration? Kasi alam naman natin, marami na talaga yung mga products, local products na ang sinusource na materials and design is Filipino. Pero yung sa inyo, I'm sure you have your own idea or vision kung bakit ganito. Sir Jared.
Actually, when I started 2016, when I was the finalist the Project Runway Philippines, yung advocacy talaga namin is to help the indigenous people in South Cotabato, which are the Tibonis or the Blaan tribe. So, because of taga doon kami, we concentrated upon that tribe alone. So yung inspiration namin diyan is lahat ng mga gawain ng mga katutubo parang i-infuse namin into a certain product. So that is the chinelas. So this is our first time to collaborate with the chinelas design. Using those material na talagang 100% pure handmade, even the fabric itself. So talagang handmade siya lahat-lahat.
Ayun. Thank you, Sir Jared. Then, I have a question for Miss Amy. Curious lang ako, ako hindi ko pa alam, paano kayo na-connect lima? And to bring up upon Sinelas, di ba?
Actually, kami ni Pinky, we live in the same building. We live in Ikohwa. So, naging close kami because of the community that we have sa building. So, one day, she came into our unit. Nakita niya, nagtatrabaho ko doon sa mini office ko, and nakita niya lahat ng mga footwear. hindi pa ito yung footwear ko before. Yung mga footwear ko, as you can tell, dati meron siyang abaka. The sole is abaka. Ngayon tinanggal na namin yung abaka sole. So we concentrated on non-abaka. Kasi dito sa atin, it's ano na di ba? Marami nang merong abaka. So gusto namin maging kakaiba, different sa other footwear locally. So sabi niya sa akin, tinanong niya ako, ano yung gusto mong mangyari sa brand mo? And then, napastop ako because hindi pa ako nag-iisip na further kung ano talaga gusto kong mangyari sa sinelas. At that time, it's only sinelas. So sabi niya, meron akong friend, papakilala kita sa kanya. Right away, then, tinawagan niya si Jared. And then, hinook niya ako kay Jared. And then kami naman sa phone, nag-click na kami kahit hindi pa kami magkakilala in person. So, after Christmas, he flew to Manila from Coronadal kasi they're from Coronadal, South Cotabato. And then we started planning na in regards to the sinelas. So, yun, nag-source siya ng materials muna dito sa Manila and then he went back to Coronadal and then nag-start na siya working with these types of designs with his artisans. Kasi siya yung may hawak ng community sa Lake Cebu ng mga artisans. So talagang siya yung guru nila, siya yung leader. So siya yung pinakikinggan talaga ng mga artisans. So dito na kami nag-come up with these kinds of designs and wala pa nga, magsi 7 months pa lang ang sinelas, it became sinelas at iba pa kasi they want to go further. Gusto nilang gumawa ng bags, gusto namin gumawa ng RTW, pero we want to concentrate first dito sa footwear kasi ngayon lang kami talaga mag-launch. Though ito yung first day namin ng launching, the sinelas already went to the London Fashion Week. Kakabalik lang nila from London. So, naano na yun, na nasuot na ng mga models yung aming sinelas, yung ibang sinelas sa London, which is marami namang foreigners na nagkagusto. But knowing na foreigners sila, ang ating mga sizes is mga pang-Asian, sa atin lang to. So, medyo yun, another planning yun, if what we're gonna do, if we want to bring it abroad. So, si Pinky, ang mayroong kasalanan. Kaya kami nandito ngayon. So, we're very lucky to have her, to known her, kasi siya talaga yung nag-connect sa amin lahat.
Tapos paano naman na-connect si Miss Sofia and si Miss Alma?
Sinelas is owned by the two of us. Siya naman kasi yung logistics, quality checking, yung talagang hindi sa kanya papasa kung hindi maganda yung footwear. Kasi we have to make sure na maganda talaga yung footwear. Ngayon lang kasi nag-search ako, wala pang nakakagawa ng footwear na from artisans like this. Marami tayo nakikita sa mga RTW, di ba? Yung mga ganitong, though this is different, this is her own design, pero sa footwear, this is the first time talaga na may gumawa, which is from Mr. Jared. Siya talaga yung utak ng mga designs.
And mag-ama sila.
Yes, maganda sila.
Their father and daughter. So we're very lucky to have them in Sinelas at Ibaba. We're very lucky to have them.
Tapos nga, as you mentioned earlier, before sinelas lang ang pangalan.
Yes,
But since
sinelas
you're
lang.
branching out to bags and soon dresses, naging sinelas
At iba pa.
And then, nandito nga na, part of your inspiration is the Tiboli people of South Cotabato. Why sila, Sir Jared?
Ganoon siya eh.
Aside from taga doon ako and being the cultural advocate and saka cultural tawag dito parang worker din for almost 10 years doon talaga ako nagtatrabaho concentrating that kind of people. So lahat I do study lahat ng mga kultura nila pati ang tradisyon. So sabi ko ito yung gagawin namin so that we can help them. Ito yung in-incorporate ko for the sinelas.
Yes.
At saka masyadong kilala ko yung ganong tribo.
And as you can see, yung outfit ni Sofia is terno sa kanyang sinelas. So soon to mga designs na ito will transcend into outfits naman.
Yeah.
Yes.
pang Filipina
But
women.
but it will be an everyday wear na
Yes.
parang lahat pwede siyang suotin, pwedeng shorts, pwedeng shirts, pwedeng mga blouses and dresses na pang everyday.
And that calls for another press con,
Yeah.
di ba? So, yung sino may question, si Mel Navarro magaling magtanong.